I have been into K-Beauty, and so I want to try these Milk Touch cushion foundations. They're actually second generation, and they're now available on Amazon. The brand did give this to me, so I was more than happy to give them my honest review. As you can see, it has a beautiful applicator, and actually has a mirror in the compact, which I really do love. And it has a nice little hygiene seal, that's more what I call it. And then it actually does have a mesh over the foundation for a thin, breathable application. And it doesn't have the traditional sponge, which can really get like over soaked, where the mesh filter really kind of thing keeps things nice and precise with how much foundation you're getting. I have the shade 15N and 19N. And as you can see, the 15N is a little light, but will actually be perfect in the winter. And I really find I want to get my true match because there's no oxidation. So I really want to get that match perfectly. And that's perfect because there's 20 amazing shades that really you can choose for if you're fair to deep, warm, cool, neutral undertones. You can really find your shade. And after this, I feel like I get a glass-like finish. It didn't stay kind of left in. I can even go with the brush and really like fine tune things, but there's not really need. This foundation also has 60% moisture essence, which is infused in the foundation, and it just leaves your skin with that beautiful glass glow. That really is what you're looking for in foundation. That's how you get the beautiful K-Beauty look with that glass foundation look.